Hey guys, how are you doing? Recently, I have published a video about WhatsApp push notifications not working in iPhone and how to fix the problem. This is an important update to that episode where I have asked users to reinstall the WhatsApp application after taking backup of their chat history and the media and everything, after minimizing the storage by deleting the unwanted contents and then backing up to the iCloud, and then I asked them to perform the reinstallation of WhatsApp. It was not possible for everyone, so many have commented, it is not possible for me, the iCloud storage is full, and is there any other workaround to fix the problem? Luckily, one of the users, Salim Ahmed, thanks to him, have mentioned an important workaround that actually works. I have confirmed it with a couple of my audience, and it actually worked to fix the problem where the WhatsApp was not visible under settings notification section. So if you also have that problem where not just for WhatsApp, for any application, Instagram, Facebook, or any application is not visible in settings notification, when you scroll down, you will see the list of applications that you have installed on your iPhone. So if the application is not visible, then you won't be able to control the notification settings of that specific application. So previously, we have to do the reinstallation in order to fix the problem. When you open the app for the first time, when it asks for allow or don't allow, you have to select allow. That's what the steps I have actually suggested. So the simple troubleshooting step, all you have to do is go to settings app and then navigate to general, and then at the bottom you will see reset or transfer. So click on it and then you have to click on reset. Here you will see a prompt that shows the list of reset options from network settings reset to all settings reset. At the last option you will see the reset location and privacy settings. Reset of location and privacy settings actually brought back the WhatsApp to the settings and notification section. It actually worked, and maybe some parts of the bugs related to the notifications feature might be integrated with the location and privacy section. So it actually flushed the problem, and you will be able to see the WhatsApp or any other application that you were not seeing before, and from there you can turn on and turn off the notification settings. For push notifications not working with any application, it will work hereafter after you enable the notification from the settings notification section. I hope this simple tip and workaround actually helped you to fix the problem. If you find it useful, don't forget to share it with your friends and followers. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.